After more than 32 years of waiting, Ndi Anambra will finally witness the breaking of an age-old jinx. The state is getting its very first fully equipped government house and governor's lodge. This monumental development is being spearheaded by none other than Governor Chukwuma Soludo, often hailed as Mr. Fixer, Mr. Reformer, and the 2023 Best Governor on Infrastructure. For decades now, Anambra State had the unfortunate distinction of being the only state in Nigeria without a proper government house and governor's lodge. Can you believe that? The existing lodge wasn't even in the state capital, and to make things worse, both the lodge and government house were makeshift facilities, a far cry from the dignity a state seat of power deserves. Now, after 33 years of using inadequate structures, Governor Soludo has made history by starting the construction of a state-of-the-art government house and governor's lodge right in the heart of Awka, the capital city. This development marks a turning point, one that will elevate Anambra's status and set a new standard for state governments across Nigeria. In fact, some have already dubbed it the best and largest government house so far. But what do you think? Do you think this is actually true? To you, our dearest viewers, is this project as grand as people say it is? Let us know in the comment section. At Ebony People TV, we can't wait to show you more updates on this massive project. This government house is indeed a game changer for Anambra State. So, get ready to be amazed by what this place will look like upon completion. Exciting times lie ahead, I tell you. Now, let's dive into the most interesting part. This monumental project boasts 30 brand new buildings. Yes, you heard that right, 30. The complex will include the Government House Secretariats, Administration Blocks, Governor's Lodge, Deputy Governor's Office, and departments for cleaning and works. There's also a fire station, an amphitheater, multiple studios, a sports complex, and even a banquet hall. The list goes on and on. A generator house as well, a slaughterhouse, warehouses, the laundry building, the canteen, and an industrial kitchen. The layout also includes roads, security posts, green areas, and multiple residential apartments. It's clear that this is not just a government house, it's a full-scale modern complex. And the man behind it all is none other than Governor Charles Soludo. His vision is to build a new Anambra that future generations will be proud of, and is well on his way to doing just that. This project is being handled by Jordan Construction Company, and the progress so far is nothing short of impressive. So, what's your take on this massive transformation in Anambra State? Do you think this new government house and governor's lodge will live up to the hype? I mean, the hype is getting so much on this particular project. What do you think? Do you think it's really worth the hype? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and as always, stay tuned to Ebony People TV for more updates on groundbreaking developments across Igbo land. And a quick reminder, we're excited about all the birthday shoutout entries we've received so far from our loyal viewers. If you haven't sent yours already, there's still time. Here's what we need from you: your name, where you're watching us from, a picture to go with it. Just send it all to the number you're seeing on your screens. And if you love what we are absolutely doing here at Ebony People TV, why not consider making a voluntary donation to help us bring you even more awesome content? Your support helps us grow and do even more for you. Thank you for being with us. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.